Like when people use these weird, unconventional, I wouldn't even thought of using a typewriter to paint. Wow, that's sick. That's sick. That's a different level of talent. How do you discover that you can do this, by the way? How you discover that? What? This is different. This is way different than anything I've ever seen, ever, actually. But you know, let alone in these reaction vids. Wow, I'm flabbergasted. I'm dumbfounded. What's another one? Awestruck. Is that one? Yes, everything, all of it. Whatever it is, that's what I am right now.